Welcome back to the show, everybody. James Rule XRP. Follow me on Twitter at All the Money. I'll tell you what, I was in a great spaces this morning with G and some other people, and we were talking about crypto. And every once in a while, I will pop into a Twitter or X spaces. We'll have conversation. We'll talk about XRP. We'll talk about crypto. Well, today we talked a little bit about ivermectin and fenbendazole, cancer and use cases and all this stuff. And you never know where the topics are going to end up. Instead of watching the news, I love jumping in these Twitter spaces or X spaces and just talking about family, talking about different topics. And G puts on a good space, and we're going to go ahead and get into it. Today is going to be a great day. Yesterday, I put out 2 bags of weed and feed. This morning, I put out the 3rd bag of weed and feed, and I kind of hit the heavy spots, because we live in the country. My property used to be pasture, and we get all these crazy grasses and weeds and thistle and stuff growing around. So every year, I have to fertilize to get rid of all the weeds. And thank God it's raining right now, because I was worried. I was like, okay, I'm going to put all this fertilizer down. It's not going to rain. Well, it's raining now. It's supposed to slack up a little bit, get everything soaked in, and then we're supposed to have a really good rain this evening. So everything works out. Everything works out for a reason, just like your crypto investments. You may think things aren't going too good right now, but everything works out for a reason. And today we're going to look at Solana. We're going to look at Solana partnering up with XRP. We're going to look at news. We're going to get excited. We're going to have a great time, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So one of my friends that follows me, just Alex, at It's Me Alex 50, posted one of my imposters this morning. He said, people, watch out for those irritating scammers. Here's another one on X. When is this shit going to stop, Elon Musk? These are effing criminals who are stealing money in crypto from hardworking people. If I find one of those assholes, they're done. So he posted, all the money, didn't know you were in Brazil, James Rule XQX. And yes, you can see, if you click on a person's profile, you can see where the account originates. This is an imposter, a scammer. I will never send you an instant message on social media. So you got to be on the lookout. Be very careful, people. Keep your crypto safe. Where do I keep most of my crypto safe? Well, I have an IRA. And let me give you a scenario. And I want you to hear this, and I want you to listen up. Yes, I always talk about iTrustCapital, but let me give you a scenario. If you have worked several jobs in your life, and if you're at a job now that you may not like, but previous jobs, you did have a retirement account, you had 401ks and all that stuff. If you still have those 401ks just sitting there, you can transfer them for free over to iTrustCapital, and you can invest in crypto and precious metals and trade 24/7, 365, low cost, no monthly fees, institutional grade custody. And there are tax advantages, people. You can open up a Roth IRA out of your traditional IRA. All the details are in the link below. When you sign up, you get a $100 funding bonus. James Rule XRP, iTrustCapital. Let's get after the news. Total crypto market, 2.65 trillion. The market is down just a tad. Bitcoin is at 75,852. Ethereum's at 2361. XRP's at I love you, 143. Every time I see 143, I think about I love you. Isn't that sweet? Okay, here we go. So I was playing with Grok this morning. Super Grok. And my new handle is All the Money. James Rule XRP with a blue check mark. All the Money. I still have Rule XRP hidden, which is available for me. So if I decide not to have Premium Plus anymore, I could get my Rule XRP handle back. But I really like All the Money. And I created this illustration. I had Grok create me XRP tokens going all around the world with all the money at the top. All the money can funnel through the XRP ledger. And look what Korn did. He one-upped it on me. Look what he did. Let me hit play. So he created this 6-second illustration of XRP going around the world. All the money. I love it. I love it. Thanks a lot, Corn. Corn is in a lot of spaces. We all communicate with each other at Corn XRPL. He has an ecosystem built on top of the XRP ledger. They do have a token. Check them out. So let's go ahead and go into the big news. This is really big because Solana is an ecosystem. The coin is SOL. They say that XRP is live on Solana. Back on April 17th, XRP. They were teasing XRP in the background, and now it is official that XRP is the digital asset native to the XRP ledger, a decentralized public blockchain designed for fast, low-cost transactions. WXRP is live on Solana with HEXTrust, Layer 0 core. Verify the token on @tokens. It is happening, people. And it says WXRP is available in your favorite Solana apps. Titan Exchange, BuyReal.io, Phantom, Jupiter Exchange, Meteora AG, and more. So interoperability is key. And the folks at Solana are going to be at XRP Las Vegas. Solana exec buys $10,000 worth of XRP. Solana's chief product officer, and his name is, well, I don't have his name, VIBHU, I'm sorry, announced that he had purchased some $10,000 worth of XRP token. He did so in order to showcase WXRP, a wrapped version of the asset, which is now live natively on Solana network through HEXTrust's technology. It's exciting. And even Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO at Ripple, stated that demand for XRP keeps growing. More access, more ecosystems, more utility. And he commented on Ripple X's post, which states that WXRP is now live on Solana, enabled by HEXTrust and Layer 0 core. Growing demand for XRP is driving liquidity cross-chain, opening new paths across ecosystems, and expanding the overall market. And for years, we have been talking about interoperability. You know, all of these different blockchains were built for different purposes. Bitcoin was the first one, and then XRP for sending payments, and then Solana, and then Ethereum, and then HBAR, and then Flare, and all these other amazing ecosystems were created to do different things. But in the long run, they all have to be interoperable. The value has to be interoperable with the other ones for all these things to successfully succeed. So ZBCN Man on X, creator of Zebic Nation, host of the Zebic Nation podcast. I have been talking about Zebic, the ZBCN token. It's really exciting because he and the team at Zebic are going to be at XRP Las Vegas. And check this out. He just saw the official XRP Las Vegas speaker lineup, and this is big. Brad Garlinghouse is followed immediately by Simon with Zebic. Simon hits the stage at 12 PST to break down why solving payroll is the key to unlocking crypto's next phase. This is real-world utility taking center stage. This event is shaping up to be something special. Fired up to be there with the ZBCN family. This is the kind of moment you do not want to miss. Who's pulling up to XRP Las Vegas? Let's go. I will be at XRP Las Vegas here in 10 days, people. I will be at XRP Las Vegas. So if you want to meet me at XRP Las Vegas, walk up to me, say hi, shake my hand. Let's talk crypto. Let's talk family. I'm going to be in and out of the different conferences, but you will see me there. So come up and say hi. I don't bite, I promise. Coindesk is now getting XRP news out there. And yesterday I stated that they did not even whisper XRP when Ripple and the XRP army was going through the lawsuit. Now Coindesk says that XRP leads major cryptocurrencies with an 8% weekly gain, trading above its 200-day EMA, though inconsistent volume keeps a confirmation breakout on hold with 144 as the key resistance to watch. Let's see what happens. And I'm going to show you this article here. XRP set for repricing. Analyst says that the greatest wealth transfer is about to happen. And I like reading articles like this. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what the price of XRP is going to be this year or next year or in the future, but it's going to be a lot more than it is right now. So this article was written today, and it states that an analyst from the YouTube channel Money Rules Investing Tips has shared an ambitious outlook for XRP. He recently argued that the digital asset may be on the verge of a major repricing event as institutional momentum builds across the crypto market. The key points are XRP may be nearing a major repricing event as institutional demand and adoption continues to build. Analysts cite improved U.S. regulatory clarity as a key driver that could unlock broader institutional participation with XRP. Bitcoin and Ethereum's projected growth could push XRP far beyond its current $1.50 level in a strong market cycle, and AI forecasts and analysts' views align, suggesting, get this, people, XRP could reach $7 to $42 amid a potential wealth transfer phase. I'm not going to go through the entire article. I'm going to leave a copy of it below. But wealth transfer, the greatest wealth transfer is about to happen. And when I hear wealth transfer, I think of generational wealth. I think of you now having enough money to live, having enough money to give back, having enough money to take care of communities, and also having the money to take care of future generations of children, of grandchildren, of great-grandchildren because of the decisions you made today. When is the Clarity Act going to pass? I asked Super Grok. Well, Super Grok spit out the Clarity Act passed the spring of 2026. It says May, June of 2026, full Senate vote and presidential signature. Clarity for crypto and XRP. Regulatory clarity wins. American innovation soars. And they kind of, AI is a little different. It put XRP here with the ETH logo. It kind of messed up some of the spelling. It kind of got some of the dates out of the way. But you get the gist of what AI does. You ask it a question, and this is what it spits out. So enjoy your weekend. Go say hi to somebody. Pick up the phone. Don't text somebody. Call them and check on them. See how they're doing. Listen to their voice. Call your mother, father, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, neighbor, whoever. Check on them. See how they're doing. If you haven't talked to them in a while, pick up the phone and be the first one to call them because they deserve it. You deserve it. And have a great day. Do the right thing. And don't forget, people, I told you so.